All right, so I literally recorded an entire video to give you guys an update on the Skullcandy Aviator 900 ANC. And as I was at my computer editing the video, I got a notification on my phone saying that Skullcandy left a comment on my original video. And according to them, I'll put the comment on the screen so you guys can read it for yourselves. But according to them, there is an issue regarding the firmware with a specific batch of the headphones. Now, as of right now, I've already returned my pair because it wasn't just me that was experiencing distortion. If you look at the comment section of my original video, there was a couple other people that reported similar issues. So just based on that, I figured I'll probably just return them instead of getting a second pair because yeah, I just didn't want to have my money in limbo basically, and there was a chance that I would just experience the exact same thing. So as of right now, that's where things stand. If Skullcandy ends up watching this video, if you guys want to send me another pair once the firmware update is available, I'll be more than happy to check them out again and just, give the public an update if the issues are fixed. But yeah, as of right now, that's where things stand. If you guys already bought the headphones, if you're not experiencing any issues with the distortion, I guess you got lucky, you didn't get a pair of the faulty batch. If you are experiencing some distortion, again, according to Skullcandy, they'll be able to fix it with a firmware update. Whether or not you want to wait for that, that's up to you. So I told you guys I would give you an update. This is me living up to that. But aside from that, appreciate you guys for watching as always, and I'll see you in the next one.